In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export users from HubSpot step by step. Whether you need a backup of your user list, want to review permissions, or simply need a record of all team members in your account, exporting users in HubSpot is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot guides. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account using your admin credentials. You'll need the correct permissions to access user settings and perform exports. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that gives you access to all account-level configurations. After clicking on Settings, you'll be taken to the main settings area. Now, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This menu contains all the different configuration sections for your HubSpot account. Scroll if necessary, and then click on Users and Teams. This is where HubSpot stores all user accounts, their roles, and team assignments. Once you're inside the Users and Teams section, you'll see a list of all the users associated with your HubSpot account. This page displays important information such as usernames, email addresses, permission levels, and status. Take a moment to confirm that you're seeing the full list of users you want to export. At the top of the users list, you'll notice an Actions button. This is the key to exporting your users. Go ahead and click on the Actions option. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with additional options. From this drop-down, select the Export option. HubSpot will then prompt you to choose a file format for your export. Typically, you'll be able to choose between formats like CSV or Excel, depending on your needs. If you plan to open the file in Excel or upload it into another system, CSV is usually the safest and most compatible option. Select the file format that works best for you. After choosing your preferred file format, go ahead and click the Export button to confirm. HubSpot will begin preparing your file. Depending on the number of users in your account, this may take a few seconds. Once the export is ready, HubSpot will either download the file directly to your computer or send it to your email address associated with the account. Open the downloaded file to verify the information. You should see a structured list of your users, including details such as their names, email addresses, roles, and possibly team assignments. This file can now be used for reporting, auditing, onboarding documentation, or migration purposes. And that's it. That's exactly how to export users from HubSpot quickly and efficiently. Just remember, go to Settings, select Users and Teams from the left menu, click on Actions at the top of the list, choose your file format, and then click Export. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful when managing your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials, CRM tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.